shot in the face.
He sounds like a pig. Look at him.
I thought you were a country girl.
I don't like.
She's supposed to be a country girl, but she can handle pigs.
Or
Nice. What? Huh?
You gonna get put on the fire?
I didn't hear that.
She's like, you broke the rule. You said please.
Yeah, we're
Not worried.
Stick an apple in his mouth.
What are you doing, Chris?
Adam, go!
It looks so
right
funny.
there. Look right there.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get the paint.
I've heard of trying to reach for heaven, but this is a little bit ridiculous.
Don't judge me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I made a cat used to do that.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to catch the bug.
Would you like a fruit chopstick?
Just trying to
Got
get.
him. We got him.
Don't bite me. Whoa.
Honey, I can't potty.
Why is it every time I have a YouTube video, it's always with you and bugs?
That was incredibly gross. That was my husband.
What are you going to say about that?